Hi, everybody. This is Martha. I am a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. And I have my colleague and Tantra teacher, Jon Gosling here. I have a series of interview questions for him. And in this video, I want to ask him, what is sexological bodywork?
Thank you, Martha. It's lovely to be with you. And sexological bodywork. Well, I'm also a sexological body worker. And what, for me, sexological bodywork is about a practice of being in one's body, the experience of actually feeling our body and feeling ourselves and looking to change habits that we may have accumulated in our lives, and primarily to improve our sex lives.
That's beautiful. So I have a sexological bodywork training myself. When I explain what is sexological bodywork, I say it is the practice of connecting or reconnecting with the genitals and beyond. So a lot of sexological body workers will incorporate touch in their work of some sort, embodiment. For me, I don't do touch or nudity in my work, so I teach the practices, and yeah, so that's sexological body work to me in a nutshell.
Yeah, that's really interesting because one can practice sexological body work without touch, absolutely. And it's the fundamental principles of that.
Yes,
And sure.
definitely. It's just that the moment I put out the title sexological bodywork, they immediately assume it's some kind of really exciting thing, and by not doing touch in my work, people assume that I'm sex negative. And also when working with a practitioner, it's less about the attraction and more about the integrity of the practitioner, I feel.
Well, absolutely. There's some very strict protocols to be a certified sexological body worker, including one-way touch. If the practitioner does do genital work, then they wear gloves to actually protect both the client and the practitioner. And at all times, the practitioner is clothed.
Yeah. And also, just to re-emphasize, the touch is one way. It's not two ways. Sexological body worker is not a sex worker. They don't bend their boundaries just because you pay them more money. And how can someone find a sexological body worker in their city?
So there are a number of sites. Obviously, one can go to the Sexological Bodywork directories, and also there's a thing in Europe called Trusted Bodywork, and that has a register of certified practitioners in 3 modalities, and sexological bodywork is one. But these are all modalities where the practitioners have had to study and obtain a certification. And one of the things that people should do when they're looking for a practitioner is to ask about their credentials and their certificates and what qualifications they have.
Yes. So can you just repeat the directory name again?
In Europe, there's a thing. It's a website called Trusted Bodywork.
Right. Okay. How about outside of Europe? Do you know?
Pardon?
Outside of Europe, there's the Sexological Bodywork directory.
Off the top of my head, I can't, but we can always put it in the link.
Yes.
I'll
do that. I'll do that. Okay, so thanks for this video. Tune in to the other videos for the other questions that I have for Jon.
Yeah, it was a pleasure, and look forward to answering some more questions, Martha. Thank you.
Thank you.